Alright, so finally I left out of the house. So I listen to Mokko talk and I'll be a joke, trust me. Now we are walk to one river which is pretty much to the back of the yard but different from the one that I went to yesterday.
Yeah.
Mokko, this is next river here below man, the rain or fall.
Yeah.
The little one where you said you need to rise up.
Yeah.
If the rain or fall, make it a meet to the next one.
Like all of the hills.
Yeah.
But where do you come down, you know? Sunday, you know?
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah, Mokko gone ahead of me because I had to stop and park my drone and tell himself I was going to walk. But currently we're walking alongside the river now. The river is somewhere down there. Yeah, luckily I learned how to do that hand catch thing with the drone because that's what I did while I was in the water. You know, I had to land it and there was nowhere to land, so I was just like, okay, caught that bastard, so that's good. And yeah, heading to the river. Close up to the place, I know water look nice up there.
Yes, man.
Bench and then we put something along the side, so vibe. Alright, so it's not really a far trek at all, but you know, when we're trying to film, it seems a bit further than it really is. But we got to a body of water here where Mokko, yes sir? Yes sir? Yeah man, it just seems like it for real, because the water look at a nice depth, nice level. You see me? And Mokko I do them thing over there, so we're, you know, just to make sure it's a place clean and level down for other people who, you know, might take care when I have to worry about, you know, all them bits on them something. Wow. This feels good. Yo, people might feel like this is the easiest thing for do. It's really fun. And it's a bit easy, but there are some that struggle sometimes. Even switching from lens to lens and me walking on water and all them something that can be a little bit tedious, but you know, as I go along, like I learn a little bit more, like, you know, what type of accessories to pack, how to pack them, so I can just grab and reach and just flick on a lens and not have any problem. So, you know, we're looking to improve the content. You know, if you guys love, you know, how far we've grown so far and what we've been doing, drop a like on the video and you know, just to show your appreciation. That's all we ask. So like, share if you want to share your beautiful country or share a vacation idea with somebody. And yeah, but I'm gonna take the drone up, show you guys the shots here, what it looks like above, and then we'll take a dip. Yeah, Mokko said must tell about the sun it have here. Yeah. Like a river sun.
Yeah.
And thing.
The water pretty relax.
Yeah.
Really chill.
Alright guys, so we're pretty much just leaving the river right now. Plus, I never want to leave the water because the water feels good. Plus, we know when I go back up, I'm going to be going home. I feel sad already. I feel so sad, you didn't even understand. What that Mokko? Wood to cook with? To cook with? Yeah. Yes sir. Alright. Alright guys, so we just got back up to the house right now, and I'm just gonna go inside, pack my stuff and be ready to go. Yeah, what sadness can't even explain. when I'm hot right now. Yeah, you know, you definitely miss Kingston because you miss a little luxury in terms of, you know, trying to do a business. You need the internet if you can contact your customers and stuff like that, or just with persons who watch your channel. But yeah, get ready for left this place, and I don't know if you guys like these type of videos, so drop a like on it, and maybe depending on what you guys want, I might come back up here, show some more Ras Mokko. Probably try to cook a meal for Ras Mokko without salt. Yeah, that's that. Ras Mokko, thanks for being on the videos, let me know my eye.
Yeah, man.
Give thanks.
Yeah, man. Bless up, man. Man, my pleasure,
blessing.
man. Yeah, man. Bless you, love.
Alright, so I'm finally back home to my dogs. Do not jump on me, Mocha. Hey! And the puppies are in there. There's 6 of them and they're all good, so that's great.